Hey guys, I got a ton of mail today, and so I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you to show you some of the stuff that comes into my house as a blogger. So first up, this is from Pampers, and they have a brand new pure line, and it's a 0% chlorine bleaching. It's fragrance-free, clinically proven hypoallergenic, and up to 12 hours of protection. And it is cotton enhanced. So this is a brand new line that is out. It's exciting. I don't have any more children that are in diapers, but I still work with them. I changed diapers for 12 years. I know a thing or two about changing diapers. Of course, there's always the wipes that come along with it as well. You just saw my 5-year-old run by. And so this one is interesting because it's actually 99% water and cotton enhanced again, and it's free of parabens, perfumes, dyes, and alcohols. And there's 56 of them in each pack. So you can head on over. These are available in stores now. And definitely worth checking out if you are in the diaper market. Okay, so next up, I am working with Tom's for the next few months, and they sent me a huge box. I can't show you everything that's in the box. It's gigantic. And I just pulled out as much as I could put into this little bag so I can show you some of these ideas, because otherwise we would be here all day talking about Tom's. So we have Tom's enamel strength peppermint toothpaste. We have long-lasting deodorant, and Tom's are really great because it has no aluminum. Yeah, see, no aluminum. So if you have teens or tweens that are just starting to get into the deodorant department, I love Tom's for that reason in itself. I'm not necessarily working with them on their deodorant campaign, but they sent me a bunch of their products to show and to sort of test out. And I am such a big fan of their deodorant for my kids that I wanted to point that out to you guys. They have a soap line as well. So we have scents like creamy coconut and morning mint. Lots of good stuff. Let me see. Wait, there's they have a sensitive fragrance-free version as well. It has aloe vera in it. And then, of course, I'm going to pop right into a couple of more deodorants. These are wicked cool. So these are actually made for teens or for, I guess, younger kids. Actually, anybody can use them. But, I mean, all I'm saying is there's a little bit of a fun design there. So you can pass them along to those kids that might not want to get into the deodorant phase, but you know that they need to get into the deodorant phase. And then, of course, for men, they have different scents. Like this is North Woods. But to be honest with you, I also like to give stuff like that to options for my other children. One more. This is Summer Fun, wicked cool. Again, I have so much stuff from Tom's. I have so much stuff. Wicked Fresh, Peppermint, Luminous White. I can't wait to just put all of this into action. I didn't know that they had these soaps. This is actually surprising to me. And I'm surprised that I am surprised because I have been a fan of Tom's. I don't know why I've passed those up. Okay, so a friend of mine just got a new campaign, a new brand that she started working with, and it's Nature's Path Organics. And she sent me this box to check out. And I am excited about it because the baseline ingredient in all of this is turmeric. So this is a brand new line that's coming out, and I haven't tasted it yet. I just opened up the box this morning. Whoa! I'm like a magician. Where did you come from? So we have, you did. We have golden turmeric cereal. We have a pretty cool looking gold. Is this a Swell bottle? I feel like it, maybe it isn't. I don't know. It feels like a Swell bottle, but it's a water bottle that, of course, will be used because my children just love losing water bottles, so we have to buy about 15 of them a year. Thanks for sharing.
Now look over there.
Where'd you go? Hey, where'd he go? What is this? Let's open this up. It says, thanks for sharing. A little something to help keep you on your path. Oh, it's a bowl. Hold on. Let me open this up. Oh, how fun. So it's like a bowl with a spoon for me to have my cereal. This feels, it's not quite ceramic. I'm interested in what that is made of. I want to look into that a little bit more. That's kind of cool. And then we have, last but not least, a 2-minute morning journal to win your day every day, which I'm a little bit obsessed with. I love this whole concept. I actually just downloaded a gratuitous app, so it's 365 days of gratitude, and then every night it pops up as a reminder for me to just write down the things that I'm thankful for from the day. And so this feels very much like that same vein. So 2 minutes in the morning. Maybe it's my goals. Like I can come up with a couple of different things to do here. This I ordered myself. I know what it is. You're gonna think I'm crazy. I don't care. I'm gonna try it. So this is, I suffer from migraines, and I'm always reading about different things to do to try to naturally, unnaturally, I will do anything to prevent the migraines. And so I'm in all these forums and everything for people who suffer, and somebody said that she takes 2 tablespoons, let me see, it says between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon 2 times a day, but this woman takes 1 teaspoon 2 times a day. You have to take it a few hours before any medication, and you have to drink it with water. You have to sort of like down it with water. It doesn't dissolve. It tastes disgusting. I heard the whole song and dance, but it's organic sulfur crystals. And apparently I don't have enough sulfur in my body, and that might be something that is causing the migraines. And it is a natural thing to do. There's no additives, no GMO, 99.9%, natural. There's no proof. This is not FDA approved or anything, but I read a whole bunch of people talking about how it might help, and so I bought it. And so today I got it, and I don't know if I'm going to try it today, but I might start tomorrow. The kids are home today. God forbid I get sick from this. I don't need all 3 of them home all day with me being sick. So that's it. That's everything I got in the mail. And oh, you know what? I wanted to smell these wipes really quickly. It still has like that baby scent, but it's not overpowering or aggressive in any way. It's just very faint. So it still smells like a baby, but it's not, it's so faint. It's not to the point where like the other ones that are very overbearing. So I am excited about that Purine, and I'm not going to waste these baby wipes. I'm going to wash my hands. And so I don't believe I have anything else. It's pouring we're having the snowstorm of the season right now. So I don't even know if we're going to get mail later on. It's supposed to get really bad right about now, actually. So thank you for watching the video, and until next time.